Hello, and welcome to another update on Solana. Well, Solana hasn't really made a decision yet if it wants to, let's say, follow the orange scenario or if it wants to follow the white scenario. The white scenario is more in line with Bitcoin. And I can tell you that we haven't got any confirmation yet that the low has formed in this upper micro support area. Around the same time, I recorded a video yesterday and explained to you that we should reach $197 or 192. We've reached it already after that video yesterday, barely, nearly, yeah. Now we've really tapped that level overnight, you could say. And yesterday's bounce, and you might remember that if you watched the or if you read my updates later yesterday in the member area, the move up we had yesterday, and we talked about it in the member live stream as well, it was only a 3-wave move up. So with a 3-wave move up, I'm just left without any confirmation that we've bottomed here, okay, that we bottomed. So the market decided to give us another low. But that is also a 3-wave move, best I can tell. So what is possible is that in the white scenario, and again, quick reminder, the white scenario is the one in which we're likely going to view, where we're likely going to see the lower support area tested again, potentially after following a 5-wave decline. This here could even be a wave 1. This here could be a wave 2 bounce. Maybe it goes a little higher, but you know, as long as resistance stays intact between $206 and $213, this white scenario is something we have to consider. That's the short-term bearish scenario. In this scenario, the market could reach the lower support zone between $166.20 and $180.90. So this would be the deeper pullback scenario in a B wave after an A wave bottomed around the 19th of August. A B wave topped around the 29th of August, and the C wave obviously could be unfolding right now. A sequence of 5 waves to the downside. So this support zone then needs to be observed and is still relevant between $166 and $181. So watching this space here, but in the very, very short term, the upper micro support area is obviously still holding, and it would need to be broken to further confirm that short-term bearish scenario. Again, this is about understanding the two scenarios we're tracking here on the smaller time frame. They should lead to the same result, which is an upside breakout. But again, this is only on the 1-hour time frame. On the daily chart, obviously, you get the context. I cover that every few days, so stay tuned for that if you're new on this channel. But basically, this is based here on one thesis, which is that a wave 2 correction finished in August. And this thesis allows me to track 2 likely pathways. First one, deeper B wave pullback in an already unfolding 3rd wave to the upside. In the orange scenario, it's a bit different. Here, a B wave bottomed, and we're taking a more direct pathway higher. But as expected, it wouldn't be easy, right? It's not easy because in the orange scenario, the upper support area needs to hold. I see no evidence for it holding right now. I mean, yeah, it's holding, but with holding, I mean, are we actually turning around to the upside? And I have no evidence for that yet, okay? Because it would need a 5-wave advance and a break above this trend line around, well, the trend line is coming in now at around $216, but better would be a break above $218, the swing high here from the 29th of August. So without any micro 5-wave move up and at least a break above this resistance area, the orange scenario is a bit more speculative. Why? Clearly because on the Bitcoin chart, pressure appears downward, and the bounce from the 19th of August low is all corrective and overlapping. So I have to wait for some signals here before really confirming that the orange scenario is taking the lead. I think at this point, it seems likely we're going to test 192. This is the 78.6 retracement, also because we're still printing lower lows and lower highs. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. If I see anything exciting on the Solana chart, I might post it later there. Sometimes here you get additional updates in addition to the YouTube updates, so check it out. Link is in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.